Hello everyone, myself Anu Buddhiraja along with my co-author Vishal Sareen have come up with a proposal which can turn out to be revolution in the current agriculture practice carried out in India. Our proposal is known as AgroSetu. As the name suggests, it is a complete support system to uplift India's economy, 70% of which invariably depends upon the agriculture and farming sector. Let me give you a quick and brief overview about how exactly the things will fall into the picture. There are two pain points which will be rectifying. First one is about crops before harvest. Consider the situation where a certain type of crops require continuous sunlight exposure to boom. The condition turn out to be unfavorable and it start raining cats and dogs one day, leading to heavy damage of all the efforts that went behind sowing the crop. In this scenario, our solution comes to rescue by doing a prior predictive analysis of weather condition to follow and notifies the farmers to save the crops timely. The second problem statement is about the shelf life of certain crops. For instance, a particular category of crops required cold temperature to be sustained for a longer. In case if the weather around is about to get hot in days to come, our AI-powered smart storage system integrated with environment sensor will help indicating the storage in charge to modify the temperature accordingly.
In continuation to what Anu said, I, Vishal, take privilege in taking our discussion one step forward and will help you realize how AgroSetu can turn out to be a revolution in Indian economy and in current agricultural practices that unfortunately has gone unchecked for decades right now. Talking about the technological aspect, SAP's predictive analysis is the backbone of this solution, which will be used as an integration with Doppler satellite readings along with the sensor heads. This mechanism will help in alerting and generate acknowledgements to the farmers and current agricultural practitioners around the region about the occurrence of any such climatic or weather disasters that can harm the crop as a pre-harvest or a post-harvest practices. So this way they can save their crop much prior to the occurrence of that particular event. You might be surprised to know agriculture constitutes around 70% of India's population. It means 70% of India's rural and urban gap is dependent on the sector of agriculture. If we understand the importance and the scenario which it covers, there is a humongous and impeccable horizon it covers all around. With this, I, Vishal, and on behalf of my fellow Anu, sincerely anticipate the selection of our submission AgroSetu, and we commit to put our best foot forward and make this submission a success. Audience will have an impeccable experience of their lifetime. Thank you so much for your time.